Hi and Assalamualaikum. I myself, Norib Tisam Zulkarnain bin Razak Indra, and Muhammad Ikmal as my partner. So both of us, we gonna presenting about safety in the workshop. First, we have personal protective equipment, PPE. PPE is a protective clothing, helmet, goggles, or other garments or equipment designed to protect the various body from injury. Example, we have safety helmet. Safety helmet are using for protecting our head from falling or flying an object. Then we have goggles that are using for protecting our eyes from blowing dust or particles. And then we have safety shoes that are designed for protecting our foot from falling or rolling object, sharp or heavy object, wet surface and slippery surface. Tool maintenance. Tool maintenance is the systematic care and protection of tools, equipment and machines in order to keep them in a safe, usable condition that limit downtime and extend productivity. So, tool maintenance are important for increased tool lifespan, so we can use the tools for the long term, maintaining tools efficiencies, so there's not going to be any error while using it. And last but not least, it can increase safety to the users, so the users are not going to use some unsafety or the broken tools for doing the job.
A set of procedure, rules and process designed to ensure the health and safety of people in the workplace. Process of developing safe working procedure of safe work practice. Number one, determination of overall test. Breaking down the test in its basic steps. Identification of hazard associated which is the step. Determination. Number 4, determination of preventive measure for minimizing the risk. Number 5, writing of the safe working procedure, safe proper training. Ensure that all workers are properly trained using tools and machinery. Learning how to develop the necessary knowledge and skill to prevent accident and injuries while working around machinery more quickly, often to a higher standard. Conclusion for us is safety in the workshop is a shared responsibility and requires consistent attention. By adhering to proper safety measures, ensuring adequate training and maintaining cleanliness, we can minimize the risk of accident and ensure a safe working environment. A commitment to safety not only protects individual but also support productivity and the overall success of workshop operation. Thank you for us.